In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur text in a video using CapCut. Blurring text can be incredibly useful, whether you're hiding sensitive information, maintaining privacy, or simply creating a specific stylistic effect. CapCut offers a very straightforward way to achieve this, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to apply a clean, professional-looking blur that blends seamlessly into your video. If you're new to using CapCut, it's a powerful and free video editing tool that's perfect for beginners and advanced creators alike. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can find the link in the description to download and get started. Alright, let's dive into the steps. First, open CapCut and load your video into the timeline. Make sure you also bring in the text layer you want to blur. This step is important because the blur effect needs to be applied precisely where the text appears. Having both the video and the text in the timeline ensures you can align everything perfectly from the start. Next, duplicate the video clip that contains the text and place the duplicate directly above the text layer in the timeline. This is a crucial step because the duplicate video layer is where the blur effect will be applied. By stacking it above the text layer, you'll ensure the blur covers only the text and doesn't affect the rest of your video. Now, open the Effects menu in CapCut and select a blur effect. You can choose from options like Basic Blur or Gaussian Blur, depending on the style you're going for. Alternatively, if you see another blur effect that better fits the aesthetic of your video, feel free to use that one instead. Once you've decided on your blur effect, drag it directly onto the duplicate video layer. At this point, you might notice that the entire video layer has turned blurry. Don't worry, we'll refine this in the next steps, so the blur only applies to the text. With the blur effect applied, select the duplicate blurred video layer. From the tools that appear under this layer, choose the mask option. Masks are incredibly useful because they let you isolate the blur effect to a specific area of the video, which in this case is your text. Without a mask, the blur would impact the entire frame. Now pick a mask shape that best matches the text you want to blur. If your text is horizontal, a rectangle mask is usually the best choice. For circular or irregularly shaped text, you can use the circle or freehand mask options instead. Take a moment to select the shape that works best for your situation. Once you've chosen your mask shape, adjust its position so it aligns perfectly with the text. Carefully drag and resize the mask until the blurred area fully covers the text without spilling over into other parts of the video. This step is all about precision, so take your time to get it just right. After positioning the mask, tweak the feather setting to soften the edges of the mask. Feathering helps blend the blur into the surrounding video, making it less noticeable and giving your edit a much more polished, professional appearance. If the edges of the blur look too sharp or harsh, increase the feathering until it looks natural. Finally, review the playback of your video to ensure the text is fully hidden and the blur effect is applied cleanly. Watch carefully to make sure the blurred area stays aligned with the text, especially if the text moves within the frame. If you notice any issues, go back and make additional adjustments to the mask position or feathering until everything looks perfect. And that's how you blur text in a video using CapCut. By following these steps, you've learned how to create a precise and polished blur effect that keeps your video looking clean and professional. If you have any questions or run into challenges, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.